Welcome to video 4 of my ride along series. Hopefully you all had a great Christmas and a good start to the new year. So my first video of 2025 and exciting news. On Christmas Eve I was approached by HITWAY to work with them regarding testing a bike. I'm not going to lie, I was dubious about it. We live in a world of scams, but it does turn out it was actually legit. So over the past 2 weeks I've been emailing them, and they've been emailing me back, and we've been discussing what they expect really. Now in all fairness to HITWAY, they don't really actually expect anything. All they've really said is, we'll send you a bike and review it please. Like, they've not put any criteria on, they've not stipulated they have to be nice or anything like that. They've just basically asked me for my opinion. Now if you've been watching my channel you'll know this is the first time a company's sent me their product to actually review, and I won't lie, I really do appreciate it. Throughout the conversations I've been very clear that my integrity matters to me. I will be continuing in the same light I've been doing so far, as giving a fair review on a bike, and if I like it I like it, if I don't I don't, and I'll say either way. And in all fairness to HITWAY, they've had absolutely no problem with the fact I want to still be honest and I want to do proper reviews, good or bad. HITWAY have also generously given me a discount code for all my viewers. So if you go onto the HITWAY website and spend £400 or more, you'll get £30 off. It'll also work on the European website and you get €30 off on that site using the same code. Also with the discount code, it's not specific to the bike I'm testing, so it'll pretty much work on anything above £400 on their website, and they have some good stuff on there, so I'd highly recommend going and having a look. So this morning arrived my HITWAY bike. So in the very near future you shall see my first HITWAY bike on my page. So yeah, I'm excited to get out and play on this bike and let you know what I think of it and see if it's any good or not. Also in other news, I've recently purchased a drone, so in future videos I may start using that for some other shots and what have you. Probably not the next video because I've not actually flown the drone yet and I kind of want to learn how to use the drone before I start trying to overcomplicate things. But yeah, and there'll probably be a review on that as well, because why not, eh? And now I've bought a drone, I do intend to make some nice type scenic videos of places around North Wales. I just feel it's another way to give you more content and to have a more diverse type of content on my page. So hopefully 2025 will be a great year and get quite a few videos out, lots more content and more diverse content, and hopefully grow my channel this year. So if you've watched this far, thank you for watching, thank you for your support this year, and hopefully your support continue through the future. Again, if you like the content I'm making, please like, follow and share my page. If you do want to go and look at HITWAY's bikes, I've left a referral link in my description and my discount code over there as well. It's NEG30 off if you can't find it. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. See you soon.